The Life of Chuck, 2025, directed by Mike Flanagan, is an adaptation of Stephen King's novella from If It Bleeds. The film unfolds in reverse chronology, tracing the life of Charles "Chuck" Krantz, played by Tom Hiddleston, from his death back to childhood. It's structured into 3 acts, Thanks, Chuck, Buskers Forever, and I Contain Multitudes, each offering a unique window into Chuck's life. Critics have praised Flanagan's storytelling, calling it one of his most mature and emotionally resonant works. The film blends science fiction with deeply personal themes, exploring existence, memory, and human connection. Hiddleston delivers a standout performance, supported by a strong ensemble cast including Chiwetel Ejiofor, Karen Gillan, and Mark Hamill. The movie has been described as a life-affirming and soulful meditation on the meaning of life, earning high ratings from critics and audiences alike. Would you like a breakdown of specific reviews or audience reactions?